Counting cars with miles. The Count, Soul Worker.
Second, third, fourth, fifth. G'day guys, Miles here, and as you know, I love counting cars. Sometimes I like to count using ordinal numbers. You may have heard of ordinal numbers before, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. When counting in ordinal numbers, you can write the entire word, or you can just use the last two letters of that word with the numeral. More often than not, the last two letters are T and H. Since you're learning the th sound today, and most ordinal numbers have the th sound, let's count in ordinal numbers, shall we? Well, what do you think? Yeah! Good stuff! Ready? First. Oh, some coming the other way. Second. Third. Maybe you'd like to count using ordinal numbers as well. See you next time.